Mrs. Veer has left the room because I think her internet is not good today. Okay, she will rejoin and let's see if others join the class. Have you listened to the audio recording 1.7, guys? Rajnandani, Sanaya and Tejas. Have you people listened to the audio 1.7? Because to solve the question number 4, it is required. Yes, you are audible now, Mrs. Veer.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Is it noisy from my side again today?
No, sir.
But it may be after some time if electricity goes out. Because my inverter has not been fixed. The mechanic said to me that he would come tomorrow, means the next day. Okay, and good evening, Gunjan. But I have taken the risk of conducting the class because the electricity has been available. But it will be troublesome if the electricity goes out. Yes, Mrs. Veer?
So the class will run on?
Of course, till the time electricity is available. Because if okay, when the electricity goes out, it will become again noisy. My mic will become again noisy. So I will have to get my inverter repaired, fixed, and my mechanic said to me that he will come tomorrow.
No, but the inverter was creating noise yesterday.
The inverter was not creating the noise. What happens when electricity goes out and the power shifts to inverter, and if the inverter is not sine wave inverter, it creates noise in the fans, in the mics, in every what should I say, electric and electronic apparatus. Okay, so my inverter is not a sine wave inverter, it's a square wave inverter. It will have to be transformed into sine wave, and my mechanic said that he will try to do that, otherwise I will have to buy another inverter. So tomorrow he will come and he will try to fix. Good evening, Rajesh sir, Prakash sir, Abhishek, Manya and everybody.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. My voice is very clean because sir, I washed it with Ariel. I think Prakash sir missed my joke. I think Prakash sir missed my joke.
Yes, sir, he missed.
So, but it will not remain clear if the electricity goes out, because my inverter has not been fixed yet. It will be fixed tomorrow. My mechanic was not available in the town. He was out of station. Yes sir, yes sir. So, oh, thank you for this good wish, and then what should we do? Should we start?
Yes, sir.
Ladies and gentlemen, I must tell you that to solve the question number 4, you need to listen to the audio recording 1.7. I hope all of you must have listened to the audio recording 1.7.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I will ask you and you will have to give me the answer. Only the person whose name I call, okay? I would love to start with Rajnandani because she was the first to join the meeting today. Yes, of course, sir. Okay. Rajnandani. Hello, dear. Can you hear me? Yes. What, according to you, people in the UK do to spend their free time?
In UK, people spend their free time going shopping, going pubs, watching TV, gardening, playing football, and kids.
Means they do a lot of activities in their free time, you mean to say, right?
Yes.
They keep themselves busy doing some outdoor activities and some indoor activities as well, right? Now I will move to Mrs. Veer. Mrs. Veer,
Yes, sir.
will you please tell me what outdoor activities do people in the UK do to spend their free time? Only outdoor activities.
Yeah, sir. Sir, they play football.
Yeah.
Go shopping. Go swimming,
Very good.
and go on holidays, sir.
They go on holidays also. Okay, very nice.
Yes.
Yes.
Go to McDonald's restaurants.
Oh, they go to McDonald's as well.
Yeah, sir.
Is it written in the survey?
Yes, sir.
Nice. So,
I am.
Sanaya, क्या तुम आया? क्या तुम्हें मेरा आवाज सुनाया? Okay, Sanaya. Then
सर आई लास्ट में बोलेगा मेरा टॉपिक हो गया है।
बेटा, मेरा आपा खो जाएगा अगर हिंदी बोलोगे तो। You are not allowed to speak Hindi, my dear. And Tejaswa, mute yourself, Sanaya. She is shouting at somebody in her family.
She knows for a notebook and she is shouting for someone else.
Shout at somebody. Shout at somebody means shout at means show anger by speaking loudly. Shout at somebody means if you are shouting at somebody, you are showing your anger. You are expressing your anger by speaking loudly to somebody.
Yes.
Okay, but we should never shout at our parents, I think.
Yes, sir.
Tejas, are you ready to answer the questions that I'm going to ask you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, my dear. I'm going to tell you 3 activities. Tell me which of these activities do the people of UK don't do in their free time, okay?
Yes, sir.
Gardening,
Yes, sir.
going to pubs
Yes, sir.
and sleeping.
Sir, sleeping, sir.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Should I lock it?
Yes, sir.
बड़े अफसोस के साथ कहना पड़ रहा है कि आपका जवाब बिल्कुल सही है।
You are in full form, sir. Today.
Because there is no noise from my side, there is no disturbance from my side. I came and just switched on my computer and started, and I connected it got connected and I started teaching, and everybody came in time. So all these things made me very energetic,
Okay.
and especially when I'm looking at Venus and looking so fresh, as if it is as he looks in the morning. Oh my God. Okay, who's gonna next? Mania.
Yes, sir.
तुम मान गए? Okay. What percentage of British people go swimming every week? Tell me, what percentage of people go swimming every week, Mania?
Sir, 17%.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Will everybody give consent whether she is right or wrong?
You're right, sir.
Very good. All the ladies only spoke. All the gentlemen are silent. Tejaswa, Prakash sir, Rajesh sir and Abhishek, of course. Okay, now, okay, moving to Gunjan. Jan, not Gunjan. Yes. What percentage of people in the UK normally do some gardening every weekend?
Sir, 18.
think that is not even in the option. The option is 15% or 35%. Are you sure? Prakash sir, tell me whether Gunjan is right or wrong, sir. She herself is giving her clean sheet. I'm right, sir. She is confident, and that's why you are also saying that she is right. Rajesh sir, will you please tell me, is Gunjan right or wrong, sir? She is saying 35% people normally do. Sorry, sir. You don't know, sir. Abhishek, it is your turn to reply me. Tell me whether Gunjan is right. Abhishek, Azan is going to be called. Azan is going to be called. The Azan is over now. We are back. Okay. So who is supposed to answer my question now after Gunjan? After Gunjan, I think it was Rajesh sir who joined, right? Rajesh sir. Where do 35% of adults go to at least once a year? To the theatre or to a rock concert? According to the survey, sir. Where do 35% of adults in the UK go to at least once a year? Do they go to the theatre or do they go to a rock concert? Rajesh sir, am I audible to you, sir? Yeah. Do you have any idea, sir? I think Rajesh sir has no clue. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Next day you will have to listen to the audio recording 1.7. So I would love. Okay, Mrs. Veer. But yes, sir. But
I don't have data. Actually, I did recognize.
but it was written in the text also, sir. So you couldn't find out the voice, means accent, the pronunciation, sir? Was it that, sir? That you couldn't make out because of the pronunciation? You have heard, you have listened to the audio, I agree, but did you find any problem with finding out the words or making out the sense of the audio materials because of the pronunciation? Okay, but you forgot, I think you forgot the data, right, sir? Yeah, you forgot. Okay, sir. Mrs. Veer, you want to give? Yes, tell me, Mrs. Veer, where do 35% of adults in the UK go to at least once a year? Okay, very good. Very good answer. You are 100% correct. Will you please just speak the same thing in the whole sentence, Mrs. Veer?
Yeah, sir.
Please.
25% of adults go to the theatre at least once a year.
Very nice. Very smart lady. Very smart lady. I'm moving to Abhishek. Abhishek, would you like to talk to me?
35% people normally go to the gardening also.
Yes, 35% people normally go to the gardening every weekend also. Prakash sir, amazing, Prakash sir, amazing. Your memory is also very good.
We both have taken printouts of your chapters.
Are you holding the printed paper in your hand, sir? Is it true, sir? Mrs. Veer is saying that she is holding a printed piece of paper from the text material.
No, sir, it's some newspaper.
Newspaper. See, Mrs. Veer, he is showing you, not me, because I didn't doubt her. I didn't doubt him. You doubted him. You doubted his talent, Mrs. Veer. Mrs. Veer. She can, means she has got the license, not we. Abhishek?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, are you there, my dear? Can you hear? Can you listen to me? Yeah, I'm gonna ask you some question. Will you please tell me?
Yes.
how much percentage or what percentage of men have dinner and watch TV at the same time in the UK? Is it 27% or 47%? Do you have any idea? First of all, tell me, did you listen to the audio recording 1.7 or not? I think not. Okay. Yes? Yeah, please tell me.
And listen only 50% of that.
You're so busy? Are you so busy?
No,
So, are you careless? I'm not angry. See, I'm asking you in a very jolly mood. Are you really careless, Abhishek? It's a matter of pride, my dear. Who else is gonna answer this question then? Okay, now anybody who has got the answer can tell me what percentage of men have dinner and watch TV at the same time in the UK?
47%.
47%. Very nice. I'm really very impressed with the performance of some of the people here in the room. It's amazing.
Thank you, sir.
Who go to a bar or pub every week? 23% of whom, men or women, go to a bar or pub every week?
Women. Women.
Women. Very good. Very good. Very good. Huh?
46% women, sir. 23% men, right?
46% men, 23% women.
Yes, Rajan, you are correct this time. Okay. And Prakash, it is very good sign that Prakash is trying to make the full sentence in the answer. That is really nice, sir. Making full sentence will make a habit in you to speak the correct sentences. That's nice, sir. Okay. And
next to find out some gap of the speaking.
you are trying to speak a few sentences in between gap of the two people speaking, right, sir? Yes. Yeah. Okay. How much chocolate and sweets do British people eat every year?
16 kg in a year.
16 days.
Now Rajesh sir got active. बहुत देर से सुन रहे थे. That's really nice spirit. I love the spirit of this meeting.
I'm not in the position to speak. I'm not in the position to speak.
Okay, that's a silent.
I got it.
You got it. You got a chance to answer this question. Nice.
He's stealing the answer. He's stealing.
Sorry, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am.
He stole the chance, sir.
Yeah, he stole the chance. He stole the chance. Very good.
I'm trying to steal it.
Yes. Yes. And
And you stole. You are a thief.
on what? Listen. On what do the British people spend 900 pounds every year? Tea or coffee? Amazing. It's not really easy to bear this in this much information in your mind, but you people are amazing. You people are really amazing. When are the British always happy? What makes them always happy? What makes the British always happy? What makes the British always happy? They are always happy when they are socializing. Yes, socializing. Does everybody understand what socializing means?
Help others.
Yeah, meeting people. No, not helping. Meeting people. Meeting people.
Okay. Socializing. Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Yes.
Meeting people.
Okay. Do you people go to the theater?
I hardly ever go to the theater, sir.
Okay. Why? Are you not interested in watching movies, Mrs. Veer?
Sir, no, I watch movie on malls, PVR, not
Okay.
theaters.
Okay. Okay. Do you have home theater, sir? Do you have home theater, sir? You watch it on television.
Saving money, sir. He's saving money.
He's saving money. A very good habit, Miss. Oh my God! Oh my God! But do you understand this phrase, hand to mouth?
Yes, sir.
रोज कमाना रोज खाना. Prakash sir had jumped out of the room. What happened, sir? Is internet bad? Okay, you got a call. Okay, I must appreciate Mrs. Veer for her quality that she never misses a chance to speak anything, whether it is about passing a comment on anybody, even if she never misses a chance. And I love it. I really love it because this is the only quality required to make you a good orator of English.
And thank to Mr. Prakash and Rajesh sir because they never misunderstood my comment. And
They never misunderstand. Yes, they never misinterpret your comment. Yes, of course, they deserve this appreciation. It's a very nice, frank, friendly environment here. I love it. Touch wood. Can you tell me the name of any country where people eat equal amount of chocolate as the British people do? There is no such country according to the survey. The British eat maximum most, right? Chocolate.
In this survey, there is no any country.
Yeah. Yes, there is no country. Does anybody have to say anything about the question number 4 or should I move to the question number 5? Yes, Prakash sir is saying something but he is not audible to me. Question number 4 survey was given and we will have to decide in the every question there were 2 options and we had to decide the correct option. We had to decide on the correct option. It's done, okay. So, yes sir.
Voice and clarity of the audio is very clear and very pleasant. And the way of speed is also very normal. We can understand.
So nice, so nice.
I listened this earlier about it's very interesting.
Yes sir. And the more you listen, the better it will be for all of you.
yes, sir.
I took it like that, but it was very difficult.
It will happen, sir. Don't worry, it will happen. It will take a little time. It will take a little time, but it will happen. This is what we have to do. We have to try to copy the way of speaking there in the audio file, okay? As it is done in the audio
Mr.
file.
Prakash, don't try it on your clients. They will go otherwise. They will run.
When I watched a Hindi movie,
Uh-huh.
hero is very old.
Uh-huh.
You know, there is a real
Yes, sir.
very common case
Uh-huh.
of MCC, I think you know, in a Jharkhand it's a kidnapper,
Uh-huh.
and MCC is very popular
Okay.
on that area.
Uh-huh.
That movie is very real story of that.
That movie is based on a real story.
Real
My God.
And you watch that video to understand instant nature.
It helps. It helps, Mrs. Veer. It helps. Really, it helps, I think.
because you understand the life, how the person is.
Yes, how the person is. No, what the person is like. वो आदमी कैसा है means you are not asking his हाल चाल. If you are asking his हाल चाल, then you should use how. कि वो आदमी कैसा है, how is that person. But if you are asking about his nature, his personality, then what the person is like. वो आदमी कैसा है मीन्स उसका नेचर कैसा, उसकी पर्सनालिटी कैसी है, उसका कैरेक्टर कैसा है, व्हाट इज द पर्सन लाइक. What is the person like? Yeah, it helps. So, ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna speak to you. I'm gonna tell you some frequency adverbs. What you have to do, you have to use those frequency adverbs in a sentence of your real life. Okay? The first frequency adverb is hardly ever. Let me first give a sentence from my life. It's a real sentence of my life, and you will have also to make some real sentences from your real life. Okay? Not any imaginary sentences like Ramam Khatal, not like that. Okay? You'll have to tell me some real sentences. The first frequency adverb that I'm gonna tell you is hardly ever. शायद ही कभी. शायद ही कभी. Hardly ever means शायद ही कभी. Yeah, I hardly ever visit my relatives. I hardly ever.
Hardly ever go to the theatre.
Yes, I hardly ever make a call to my friends. I hardly ever shout at my mom. I hardly ever scold my son. I hardly ever slap or beat any child. It is not so that I will stop, then you will say. You can say in between also. A real sentence from your real. Okay, you hardly ever do squats. Means you don't do squats generally, right? Good.
I hardly ever scold my father.
I am hardly ever scolded by my father. Though better to say, my father hardly ever scolds me. My father hardly ever scolds me.
My father hardly
Ever scolds me.
ever scolds me.
I hardly ever tell a lie to my husband.
Nice, good. Very good thing, Mrs. Veer.
No, you can.
But this time I'm not telling. But Mrs. Veer will add a sentence after that. But this time I'm not telling. I'm not speaking the truth. How's that?
No, sir. It's a complete sentence, sir.
It was just a joke, Mrs. Veer.
That
It was just a joke. It was just a joke, Mrs. Veer. Don't be worried. Don't be worried.
Hardly ever.
Yes, sir.
Hardly ever speaks truth to my wife.
Amazing, sir. Amazing.
Bobby.
Prakash sir.
She is not here. She is not here.
And that's why he dares to say these things. That's why he dares to say these things. Prakash sir, any comment about it, sir?
How could he, sir?
Sorry, sir?
She is saying very true.
He has spoken your heart, sir.
Always,
He has spoken your heart, right? Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am.
sir, a black coat always for the black coat person. Advocate always for advocates. No.
Black coat always out
It
each other.
always happens.
Always out each
No.
other.
Always fight.
They only show to them. No,
Fight
they
with each
only show
other
to
in the
their
courtroom.
clients.
Okay.
No, they are just to show their clients.
Rajnandani, what do you hardly ever do?
I hardly ever help my mom
In the kitchen? आज की बेटी है. See, वो आज की बेटी है. Tejas, any sentence from your life with hardly ever?
Yes. I hardly ever go to market to buy groceries.
Okay, means who goes then?
Then my father goes.
Okay. Yes, I hardly ever do household work. Like the things, especially buying the things from the market. I hardly ever buy things from the market. I can wash pots in the house, but I can never go to buy. market to buy anything. Abhishek, anything you hardly ever do? I think he is not there. Sanaya,
Yes, sir.
तुमको इतना बात सुनाया?
I hardly ever go anywhere.
Why?
Um, market, any place.
Okay. You hardly ever play firecrackers? No, sir. Play not. Fire. I hardly ever fire firecrackers or crackers only. I hardly ever fire crackers. Okay. Means you are very health conscious? Not often or not very often. ज़्यादा नहीं, कभी कभी, not often or not very often. I don't eat spicy food very often. I don't eat spicy food very often. If you don't do something very often, आप इसको जल्दी जल्दी नहीं करते, काफी दिन दिन पर करते. I don't eat spicy food very often. Means I eat but not very often. I don't go absent from my class very often. What happened? Am I audible to everybody?
No, sir. I'm audible.
Yes,
Okay. You people are trying to think some of the sentences from your life, right?
Yeah. So my husband, don't eat. My husband
Doesn't. Your husband doesn't. Husband is only one, Mrs. Veer. I'm explaining grammar, ma'am, nothing else. I think you have made out some different sense out of that, right? Okay. So what does he often eat?
So he ate rice,
He eats rice more often.
dalia,
He eats rice more often.
more often.
Yeah, he doesn't eat chapati very often. He writes rice, dalia, all these things more often, right?
Yes, sir. Right.
You learned two phrases, very often
Yes.
and more often, right? Yeah, I never drink wine. I never drink wine. Never means kabhi nahi. I never drink wine. No. I never smoke as well. Yeah, that is correct, sir. If you sometimes hardly ever means शायद ही कभी कभी साल में एक आध बार. Okay, rarely. If you do something hardly ever, you do it rarely. Okay, Gunjan. Yes, sir. And
I never go to the pub, so
okay, do you want to?
yes, I want to try, sir.
Don't tell it to your husband because you never tell a lie to your husband.
No, sir, I told him, and he scolds me.
He scolded you. Gone crazy, right?
And I also want
long ago, one student of mine came to me with one girl student of mine came to with some means 2-3 spoonful of wine in a small glass vial, and said to me, sir, I want to taste it. Where have you brought it from? तो चुरा लिए पापा वाला. Oh my God. जाता है ना, बेटिया दुलार में शोक हो जाती है. जनरली आई डोंट स्कोल्ड गर्ल स्टूडेंट्स, I respect them, and that's why some girl students are out of their limits. I sometimes quarrel with my wife, but she always wins. I think I will have to give invitation every time to Abhishek and to Tejaswa and to Gunjan and to Sanaya, क्योंकि उसको तो बिल्कुल नहीं सुनाया, and to Rajnandini and to Manya. They have muted their mic and sitting there and silently listening to all us four. Okay guys, so you are not the part of the club, right? You always need invitation. You always need invitation, right?
Sir,
You often go to Abhishek. Where? Where?
sir, I don't get angry when okay.
Okay. Then you make others angry very often.
No, sir.
It was just a joke, my dear.
No, sir.
I generally start my class on time. I occasionally go absent. And I often eat non-veg. And I have meal 3 times a day. I often have meal 3 times a day. I think now all of you are familiar with these frequency adverbs. Moving to question number 5. Moving to question number 5. Question number 5. See, generally frequency adverbs, let me explain you the rule for the use of the frequency adverbs. Where do they come, or where are they placed in a sentence? Generally frequency adverbs are used before the verbs, but when the verb is be, they are placed after the verb. I am always happy. He is generally on time. Be means any form of be it is, are, am, was, were. If these words are the verbs in the sentence, frequency adverbs will be placed after them, right? Like I sometimes start my class late. I am hardly ever angry. I am never tired. My son is always attentive. He is sometimes angry. He is usually or normally, he is usually or normally or generally kind to everybody. He means my son I am talking about.
Yes.
He is always cool.
Usually go to my
Yeah.
relative house.
Let me explain first, Mrs. Veer. So, whenever we use any frequency adverbs and the verb is, are, am, was, were, we should use frequency adverbs after is, are, am, or was, were. But if there are other verbs, not is, are, am, was, were, we should use frequency adverbs before them. Like, I always start class on time. I sometimes get angry with my students. I sometimes get angry. Get is another verb, not be. So at sometimes adverb, frequency adverb is placed before get. My students never disobey me. Never disobey. Frequency adverb and then other verbs. They are occasionally absent. Are is the main verb from be form. Are is the form of be, and that's why frequency adverb is placed after that. They are occasionally absent. They are often on time. They are often on time. So I think it is clear to everybody that frequency adverbs are used after be, any form of be, but there is another other verbs, then they frequency adverbs are placed before them, right?
Yes.
Right, sir. When it comes before frequency,
So when the verb is not be, any form of be, then frequency adverbs come before the verb. Should I give some example, some more examples, sir? Prakash sir always comes late. Prakash sir always comes. Always frequency adverb, comes main verb, late in the meeting. Mrs. Veer always comes या joins the meeting first. Mrs. Veer always joins the meeting first. Rajnandani is often on time in the meeting. Rajnandani is often, after is often adverb, frequency adverb. Let me tell you this thing in Hindi. यदि verb के रूप में be का कोई form हो, is, are, am, was, were, तो frequency adverb को इनके बाद लिखना चाहिए या बोलना चाहिए, और कोई दूसरा verb हो तो पहले बोलना चाहिए. I always start the meeting on time. I always start. Frequency adverb पहले आया, start main verb बाद में आया. Is it clear, sir? Prakash sir, is it clear to you? What are you thinking so seriously, sir?
I understand it, but I
Oh, you're trying to think some sentences. Okay, please think, sir. Is it clear to everybody else?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the question number 5 is finished, done now. It was to be taught, and I have already explained this thing.
Yes, sir.
We are supposed to move to question number 6.
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna share the screen. Okay. You can now see the PDF. Oh, I'll have to stop sharing. Sorry. No, I will not show you the screen. I will ask you orally, okay? Listen to me carefully and attentively and try to make out. First of all, I will speak the sentence, and then after I will tell you the frequency adverb. You will have to insert the frequency adverb in the sentence at the right place. Did you understand what you have to do?
No, sir.
First of all, I will speak a sentence, then I will tell you a frequency adverb. You will have to add the frequency adverb to the sentence at the right place. Now is it clear to everybody?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this sentence is for Manya.
Yes, sir.
The sentence is he does yoga. Did you understand the sentence? He does yoga, and the frequency adverb is twice a week. Now add it. Manya, without writing.
Yes, sir.
The sentence is he does yoga. The frequency adverb is twice a week. The sentence is he does yoga. The frequency adverb is twice a week. So simple. He does yoga twice a week. It should be added in the end.
Sir, he usually yoga.
The frequency adverb no, twice a week itself is a frequency adverb, my dear. Twice a week itself is a frequency adverb. You will have to add this frequency adverb to the sentence. Yeah, not in. He does yoga twice a week only. Prakash sir, it's your sentence.
Yes, we sir does.
He does yoga twice a week.
We this verb.
Yeah. हम पूरे चीज को पहले हिंदी में थ्योरी में समझा रहे हैं, हिंदी में समझा रहे हैं। अब हम हिंदी में समझा रहे हैं। फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ एडवर्ब का पोजीशन सेंटेंस में कहाँ होना चाहिए? तो मेन वर्ब के नहीं, मेन वर्ब के पहले। गौर से सुने, मेन वर्ब के पहले, ठीक है? गौर से सुने, मेन वर्ब के पहले, ठीक है? लेकिन अगर वर्ब के रूप में सिर्फ बी का फॉर्म रहे, इज, आर, एम, वॉज, वेयर, तब इसके बाद, ये क्लियर हो गया सबको? ठीक है? कभी कभी फ्रीक्वेंसी एडवर्ब जब बड़ा हो जाए फ्रेज के रूप में, तब उसको एंड में ऐड करना चाहिए। Twice a week is a type of phrase. It's not one word. It's a phrase, big phrase. That's why it has been added in the end of the sentence. I told you, when frequency adverb is a phrase in the form of a phrase, it should not be added in the middle of the sentence. It should be added in the end of the sentence. Yes, sir. Got it, sir? Now? Yeah. Now, Prakash sir, your sentence. Ready for that? The sentence is, they go cycling at the weekend. The sentence, I'm repeating, the sentence is, they go cycling at the weekend, and frequency adverb is often. Yes, they often go cycling at the weekend. At the weekend. They often go cycling at the weekend. Sanaya. Yeah, listen to the sentence carefully. The sentence is, I am at home on Monday evenings. I am at home on Monday evenings. And the frequency adverb is always. Always. Frequency adverb is always.
I am always at home on Monday
Evenings. Correct. I am always at home. Am is the verb, and that's why always frequency adverb was added after am, right? Mrs. Veer. Mrs. Veer.
Yes, sir.
Your sentence is, she goes mountain biking. She goes mountain biking, and frequency adverb is every weekend.
She goes mountain biking every weekend.
Yes, this frequency adverb is in the form of a phrase. That's why it was added in the end of the sentence, right? Rajnandini. We go to the theater. Your sentence is, we go to the theater, and frequency adverb is once a month. Once a month. Once a month. We go to the theater once a month. It should be added in the end. Yes. Tejaswa. I think he's not.
Yes, sir, for that, sir.
Where is sleeping? Next sentence is, do you go shopping at the weekend? And frequency adverb is usually. Do you go shopping at the weekend? Do you go shop?
Do you usually go to shopping at the shop, sir?
Listen to me one second. Do you go shopping at the weekend?
Sir, exam at the class. Do you go shopping at the weekend?
And frequency adverb is usually. At the weekend is not a frequency adverb. Okay, Gunjan, the same sentence.
Do you usually go to shopping at the weekend?
Yeah, beta, it is not go to shopping, go shopping. But the place is correct, you said. Okay. Gunjan, sentence for you. Gunjan, sentence for you. I get angry. Sentence is I get angry. And frequency adverb is hardly ever. Correct. Rajesh sir. I work out. The sentence is I work out, and frequency adverb is twice a week at the end of the sentence. Very good, sir, because it is in the form of a phrase. Yes, sir. There is a homework to be done for you people for tomorrow. What you have to do, write 6 sentences about your free time activities. Use frequency adverbs and expressions from question number 5A and question number 5C. Can you do it, guys? And you will have to write the correct things, the real things, not imaginary. Yes, Mrs. V, you want to say something?
Repeat, sir.
Sir, your voice was breaking, so I didn't.
Okay. Let me repeat for all of you this thing. You have to write 6 sentences about your free time activities.
Okay.
And you have to use frequency adverbs and frequency adverb expressions from question number 5A and question number 5C. For that, you can take reference from the PDF uploaded on the app.
Sir.
Yes. Am I clear to everybody?
Yes, sir.
This is the homework for tomorrow. That is in the question number 6. Okay?
Okay, sir.
And another homework for you, all of you.
Yes, sir.
You will have to listen to recording 1.8. Okay?
Okay, sir.
And after listening to the recording 1.8 in question number 7, one form is given. You will have to fill in the form after listening to the audio. Which audio did I talk about? Recording 1.8. Yes, very good. Okay. And after filling in the gap or filling in the form given in the question number 7, it's an interview from Louis. Louis is the person, okay, the lady whom the researcher is or the surveyor is doing the interview. You will have to listen to the interview in recording number 1.8 and fill in the form, and after filling in the form you will have to compare Louis's answer with the newspaper survey given in the question number 4. I hope it is quite clear to everybody. And after, by comparing you will have to find out, is Louis really a typical British person? If yes, then why, and if not, then why not? You will have to explain it. Okay? Okay. This is the only homework for tomorrow. The other remaining things will be done here in the meeting itself, in the room itself. I hope all of you will do your level best to do the homework, and you will make the environment tomorrow also very, very, very energetic and cheerful by giving your best performance as you did today, right?
Right, sir.
So I think now it is time for us to wrap up the class now, and see you tomorrow. See you tomorrow at the same time, 7:30. And I must thank God that the class was not disturbed because of the power cut today.
Yeah, sir.
Yes, Prakash sir told me in the very beginning that the class is not going. Now Prakash sir, now I am gonna send you some clients for what should I say, predictions with their horoscope. And the first client will be Rajesh sir, because he is unemployed. He wants to know when will he get employment. As second client, Mrs. Veer.
I want to know about the visa.
And she is very much willing to know about her visa to Canada.
But
Yes sir. Yes sir.
but I don't have it. Sir, but I don't have anything
To pay as a fee, right sir?
to give Mr. Prakash, sir.
No sir, no issue sir. You can send another 5 clients sir. Conjuice. It's really full of energy. This room is really full of energy, this virtual room. I really love it, and I love everybody's contribution to making this for this environment so healthy and friendly. So I think we should just now wrap up for today. See you everybody tomorrow at the same time.
Good night, sir.
Good night everybody. Good night good night everybody. Good night Rajesh sir, Prakash sir, Veer ma'am, Tejaswa, Gunjan, Manya. Good night.
Good night, sir.
Good night Mrs. V.